Ever found yourself staring at your phone, tapping that withdraw button, and then waiting and waiting? You're wondering, where's my money, especially when it comes to platforms like Raiz. We've all been there, that slight pang of anxiety mixed with impatience. Today, we're diving deep into that very question: how long does Raiz actually take to withdraw your hard-earned cash? Let's be real, investing is about growing your wealth, but accessibility is just as crucial. You need to know you can access your funds when you need them. So, you've decided to pull some money out of your Raiz account. You've hit the withdraw button. What happens next? The typical withdrawal process with Raiz isn't instantaneous, and for good reason. It involves several steps to ensure the security and accuracy of your transaction. The first step is Raiz processing your request. This usually happens on the same business day if you initiate the withdrawal before a specific cutoff time, which is generally around 2 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, AEST. If you request it after this time, or on a weekend or public holiday, it'll be processed on the next business day. Now, here's where the waiting game begins. Once Raiz has processed your request, they need to transfer the funds to your linked bank account. This transfer is done via the standard Australian banking system. And that means it's subject to the usual processing times. Generally, you can expect the funds to appear in your bank account within 2 to 5 business days. This time frame can vary depending on your bank's processing times and any potential delays in the banking system. Public holidays and weekends will naturally extend this period. It's important to remember that Raiz invests your money in exchange-traded funds, ETFs. When you withdraw, Raiz needs to sell these ETFs to generate the cash for your withdrawal. This selling process can take a day or two, which contributes to the overall withdrawal time frame. Another factor that can affect the withdrawal time is the type of withdrawal you're making. A standard withdrawal, which is the most common, follows the typical 2 to 5 business day time frame. However, if you're withdrawing a large sum of money, Raiz might need to conduct additional checks, which could slightly prolong the process. To minimize any potential delays, ensure your linked bank account details are accurate and up-to-date. If there are any discrepancies, it could lead to the withdrawal being rejected or delayed. Also, keep an eye on your Raiz app or email notifications for any updates on your withdrawal status. While the 2 to 5 business day window is the norm, it's always wise to factor in a bit of buffer time, especially if you need the funds urgently. Planning ahead and initiating your withdrawal a few days in advance can help avoid any last-minute stress. Ultimately, while Raiz doesn't offer instant withdrawals, they do provide a reliable and secure process for accessing your funds. The 2 to 5 business day time frame is standard for most investment platforms and reflects the necessary steps involved in selling ETFs and transferring funds through the banking system. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.